2.1 summary for Let's Be Rational. We are finding parts of parts. So what operation helps you find a part of a part? That would be multiplication. And when you have part of a part, so 3/4 of 1/2, okay, this means when you have 3/4 of 1/2, my number sentence would be 3/4 times 1/2. Now, we spent the day looking at how we model multiplication of fractions, again, to get the idea of what is really going on. So if we said we had 1/2 times 2/3, or 1/2 of 2/3, the way we're going to do these notes is normally you're going to just do it in one box, but we're going to kind of redo and show how each step progresses. So step 1, draw a unit square, which we have here, and we're going to divide it into 3 pieces vertically. The reason for that is we have 1/2 of 2/3. That means this is what we have. We have 2/3. So just like in class, when we had the brownie pan, we had 2/3 of a brownie pan. So we're going to draw thirds this way. And we have 2 of them. So lightly shade 2 of these pieces. And we shade the pieces based on the numerator. So this would be what we have in our brownie pan. Okay, now normally we're just going to do this on one square, but because I want you to see the difference in each step, in the next step, step 2, let's just copy that over, what we just did. All right, and then step 2 says use horizontal lines, and we are going to make horizontal lines and divide it into the unit rectangle to the amount of the first denominator. So our first denominator, it's 1/2. So we're going to break it into 2 pieces horizontally. Okay, we have 1/2, so we have shade here. Okay, so I just shaded half going in that direction with my green. Now once again, I'm just going to redo the next step, even though, again, normally it would be in one box. And then I went and broke it into 2 pieces, and I have one of those 2 pieces. And my last step now is where both of my colors overlap, which is right here. Okay, I have 2 pieces. And what size out of the whole are those 2 pieces? Well, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2/6. So therefore, 1/2 times 2/3 equals 2/6. And yes, you can simplify if needed. So that is how we are going to model our multiplication. So again, we started off, okay, with drawing what we have. 1/2 of 2/3. What we have is 2/3. Okay, then we shade it in. Here's my 2/3. Then I'm going to break that in half and go in this direction, shade it in. Okay. Then my last step is to, where we have both colors, circle that, and that's what you're taking. That's 1/2 of it. And then I have 2 pieces out of a total of 6 that would fit in this unit.